So let's start with where I've been. My dogs are 3 years old. A lot of new projects, a lot of new exciting goals. I want to share them with you guys. You know. She has orange hair. I want to start a little business. Next thing I started during summer. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute. I'm actually going to start getting ready as I just talk through everything because otherwise I'll be late for uni. My mirror is here, by the way. Also, I have a green tea with milk. It does kind of look just like a milk, but I only put barely any milk in it. It sounds weird. My sister introduced me to it and I was like, but it makes sense because like if you have boba, green tea boba or matcha or anything like that, it's technically green tea with milk, just not the tea bag version. And I'll put all the products I'm using like in the description below. So let's start with where I've been. I get busy in like chunks, really busy in chunks, and that's when my big YouTube videos kind of I just like fail to edit them or do them. That's why I've uploaded a lot of shorts. If you haven't seen those shorts and you haven't kept updated, go check them out. I love doing hair videos. I'm obsessed with hair, I'm obsessed with skincare, and those are the two main things I do on my channel. Another big thing is she has orange hair. One thing about me is I've wanted like a gingery coloured hair for a very long time. If I was to do my whole head, it'd be very natural ginger, but I just wanted to see what it'd be as like an underlayer. These front bits of my hair I'm going to dye back to my natural colour just to give the orange its own avenue. You can't see it unless I show it, which is nice because when my hair's down it's like she's a natural queen. And then when my hair's up, it's like, I'm just a whole new person. Something I love about natural hair, black hair in general, but I do think especially with black hair, it's like you look like a whole new beast, a whole new person whenever you want to. Which leads me on to my last short I actually posted where it's like, the caption was, locks, you can't do much with locks. Locks aren't versatile. Because I heard that a lot and that is something that kind of for me was like, oh, I don't really want to do locks then if they're not going to be versatile. Locks are dirty, locks aren't versatile, locks aren't professional, locks are too high maintenance, all these like rumors. If you guys want me to do a video on like the prejudices against locks or the pre-assumptions and like tell you my actual opinion, I feel like that'd be a really fun video to do. I am back now though. I do want to speak on a lot of the things that have been happening, a lot of new projects, a lot of new exciting goals. I want to share them with you guys, so stay to the end if you want to hear about everything because there's a lot of exciting things. I'm doing acting in drama school. I guess you'd know that if you're not new, but if you're new, I'm doing acting. I do want to be financially independent by the time I graduate, and if you don't know, I'm in second year, so I don't have too long. I want to start planning things. I want to start a little business, but I have started her. I have an art business called Tease Touch. Skincare done. I'm sorry, but my skin looks delectable. You know. I do personalized portraits for people. So if anybody wants anything, you can either DM me on Instagram, or I do have a website. And here she comes on the screen. You can't book online yet, but you can contact me through that website if you would like anything. I do mini bundles. I do try to book a month per person because if I'm doing big projects or big portraits, they do tend to take that long, especially alongside uni or drama school. But many things I can do. And Christmas is coming up. You want Christmas presents, or if someone's birthday's coming up, or you just want some new art for your house, or you want a portrait of your relatives, like I can do that for you. But it is so exciting. If I didn't do drama in university, art was definitely something I was considering. Showing their beauty, their individual beauty, is something that is so beautiful to be able to capture. Individuality should be preached about, not shunned. Check that out. Please support. It will be much appreciated. Next thing I started during summer is gym girly routine. If you want me to like do any shorts or anything like that on like my gym journey so far or what I eat in a day, I can do. This is predominantly a skincare and hair channel, but we can branch out sometimes. If you guys get to know me, I think that will bridge the gap between us, make this more of a family, more of a community, which are all good things. By the way, if you think I'm doing any of my makeup wrong, keep it to yourself, because I like the way I do my makeup. I'm not the best at it, but it works for me. So with my course, we do actually have a bodycon slash dance slash cardio lesson for 2 hours a week. And when I started first year, I was like, this stamina situation throughout is hard, and as an actor I know it can be intense and hard work, so I just thought, let's strengthen my body, let's tone her up. Let's face it, let's get that protein for that big back girl with a big back. I think the gym for me is quite calming. Like, put your headphones on, put a really nice playlist that you love on, go with people you love. Like, I always go with my sister. She's watching this. I just said something so cringe. Ooh, she's a bit bright. The big thing, if you've not watched my last big video, yeah, my dogs are 3 years old. They're 3 friggin' years old. Can we just let that soak in, please? I was actually saying, like, I don't notice how old my locks are getting, because for me it's just my hair, and I started this lock journey during a big stage in my life, going from high school to sixth form and then sixth form to university. Those 3 years, I feel like, in anyone's life, are the years where you're starting to be an independent woman, but you're becoming legally an adult in the world's eyes. That was so deep. I was focused on that. I don't notice these things until it hits like 1, 2 or 3 years videos, and I'm like, she's been there for a hot pretty minute. I believe my hair is thriving, even though I did just bleach her for this orange. I am taking care of her. By the way, I do call my hair her, so like, if I'm saying her. Since my first year to this year, I think doubled in length. She is almost waist length. At the back, and at the front she is at my bra line. Oh, it's hot in here. Pull this down. I have like powder options and I'm not sure which one to do. I do have my Tropic one. Tropic, in my earlier videos I think I talked about Tropic so much, but I love this brand, so check this brand out please. This one's a translucent. We might use her, but use this first because she's a little bit, even though she's translucent, you melanin girlies know sometimes translucent comes out white. So I found this lock journey, it definitely had its ups and downs. I was very scared from the start, but now I know what I'm doing. I kind of have my hair routine down. But one thing I don't think I've talked about a lot, because I've talked about frizz a lot, dry hair. I don't think I've talked about that much. My hair can be dry and it's a friggin' Sahara desert sometimes. Like, if anybody tells you you can survive on just water with your locks for your entire lock process, lies and slander. But once you hit the 2-year period, my hair needed a lot more than water. I felt like it definitely needed a lot more than water. A product that's a holy grail for me, because if you're my family or you're my friends, you know I change hair products or skincare products like they're going out of fashion. But this one I've kept for the longest, and I probably will keep for a very long time. This product, get it, because if you have locks and you're not getting it, what's wrong with you? What's going on? Sis, what's going on? Bro, what's going on? All I gotta say, because you need it. I'll get you some, because my mom also has one by Oilology, which is similar in the kind of style of the product and what it's for, which I'm not gonna lie, I think that's slightly better, but it's more expensive if you can afford more. Oilology. What is the time? I have 35 minutes. So yes, this is a product I use on the body of my hair to make it feel soft and nourished. Can you hear that? Crunchy. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm gonna be real on this channel. Crunchy. For it to look hydrated and to also get a bit of nutrients and a bit of shine and body into her, I do use an oil spray. It gives my hair a pretty good shine, and it does add nutrients to hair as well, especially after wash days. I think I'll do a dry hair video. I have done how to keep my hair hydrated a very long time ago. I need an updated one for sure, so that's probably a video I should do. Now, I always say to keep the roots hydrated, the first port of call is H2O, just add water. Yes, just add water. Anybody love Makeup Mermaid? Not Makeup Mermaids, H2O, just add water. Like, water is the first port of hydration on your roots. And on the body of your hair as well, but it just makes it drop more quicker throughout the week. And I don't have time to be braiding hair every 5 seconds, you know? But if you like your locks more straight, then spray that girl. Can we just appreciate this base? Thank you very much. I've just done my eyes. That's the hydration that I use. So scalp, shine, physical touch hydration. Yeah, those titles sound good. Videos that I'm gonna add to my YouTube channel. I think I'm gonna add some shorts where I talk about different things as I'm doing something, so kind of like this one. I did some shorts about let's talk about change, let's talk about confidence, like those different things, let's talk about growth. I wanted to start doing those because I do have emotions and feelings and it's funny for me sometimes to think that people can relate to those and if that's helping someone by relating to them or hearing my opinions on them or just listening to them, that's a bonus. And it's also a way for me to just kind of talk through things as a person of colour, especially in the industry I'm going into and with locks and in England. Yes. Okay, one thing I wanted to talk about to keep in touch with me and ask me if you want any certain videos to be uploaded. If you've got any questions for me, you can DM me on my Instagram. If you just want to see a bit more about my life or life updates, here's my Instagram. You can go and follow that. And I do think I'm going to do a bit more singing covers and stuff like that on my YouTube because there is something exciting coming. That's all I'm saying for now. I think I have kind of kept you guys for a very long time in this video. I hope I've talked about everything. I ramble and change topics quite a lot. This is just who I am. So I do hope there's a through line to this video. There's not much to say about my 3-year journey because I think I have kept you guys fairly updated. But if there's anything new, I will let you know. I hope you lovely people have a good day and a good week. And I will see you in the next one. If you're new, please subscribe. And if you're old, it's lovely to see you. See you in the next one. Bye.